With the Christmas season now in full swing, Jamaicans are once again being urged to remain vigilant and take all safety precautions. The reminder comes from the St. Andrew North Police Division, which says it has intensified security measures. The police have been increasing foot patrols in and around town centres across the island. This in a bid to curtail accusatory crimes like phone and purse grabbing, along with motor vehicle theft. Crime officer for the St. Andrew North Police Division, Deputy Superintendent Glendale Murdoch, is advising members of the public to refrain from sharing their plans on social media and to enhance security at home.
As we enter the Christmas season, we are urging all citizens to practice enhanced vigilance. Do not openly display cash or valuables, cell phone, jewelry. And be aware of your surroundings, especially at the ATMs. Use secure locks, smart cameras, and motion sensors, lighting to enhance your security at home. Inform trusted neighbors if traveling and avoid posting plans on social media. Larceny of motor vehicle continue to be a great concern to the police. Never leave valuables visible inside your car. Put them in trunk. Always park in well-lit secure areas and ensure all doors are locked. Invest in trackers and steering lock to harden your security.
In the meantime, security consultant Robert Finzi-Smith is reminding members of the public to minimize traveling with cash and to use cards where possible. He's also advising motorists to park in well-lit areas at night and be mindful where belongings are left in vehicles while running errands.
Where possible, try not to travel with too much cash. Use cards where possible. 2. When you park in an area that's not going to be too dark if you return after dark, and that you can see the car easily from where you're going. 3. Put all your purchases in the trunk rather than dropping them on the back seat while you going around from store to store to make further purchases.
And the JCF says it's working to end the year on a positive note, aiming to keep murders below 700 for the first time in more than 3 decades. Police Commissioner Dr. Kevin Blake, along with members of the Police High Command, were on the ground in several parishes today.
We're looking to close the year strong in St. Thomas, and the Commissioner's presence in the space today has been critical. We are currently in the corporate area sections of Area 4 and Area 5 today, because the Commissioner is seeking to engage directly with the members and ensure that the year finishes on a positive note.